Hello garden enthusiasts, welcome back to our Green Haven. Today we're diving into the world of organic gardening. Have you ever wondered how to keep your garden thriving without resorting to chemicals? Well, stick around as we explore the top techniques for a lush, vibrant garden that's as natural as it gets. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why organic gardening is such a game changer. Have you noticed how we're becoming more conscious about what we eat and how it's grown? Organic gardening aligns perfectly with this. It embraces environmental harmony, boosts biodiversity, and reduces our chemical exposure. But what's in it for your garden? Well, healthier soil, fewer pests, and more delicious veggies. Sounds great, right? Organic gardening is all about working with nature, not against it. It's a method where we nurture our garden using only natural resources. But what does that actually look like, and why should you consider it? Let's find out through our top 10 techniques for a thriving green garden. First things first, let's dig into soil health. Did you know that the secret to a thriving garden lies right beneath our feet? Healthy soil is the foundation of any great garden. Start by getting a soil test kit from your local garden store. What does your soil need? Compost, bone meal, or maybe just a bit of TLC with some mulch to retain moisture? Moving on, let's talk fertilizers. Synthetic options might work fast, but they often harm more than help in the long run. Organic fertilizers like fish emulsion or bone meal not only feed your plants but also improve soil health over time. Ever wondered why organic fertilizers smell so strong? That's nature at work. Next tip, mulch your garden beds. Mulch is your best friend in an organic garden. It conserves water, suppresses weeds, and adds organic matter back to the soil as it decomposes. What's your favorite mulching material? Leaves, straw, perhaps something else? Our next tip is starting small and expand. It's tempting to plant one of everything, isn't it? But trust me, starting small gives you space to learn each plant's needs. What was the first plant you ever grew? How did it go? Tip number 5, select the right plants. Not all plants thrive in all climates. Choosing native or climate-adapted plants reduces maintenance and supports local wildlife. What are some native plants in your area? Tip number 6, water your garden wisely. Watering seems simple, but doing it wisely can mean the difference between thriving and surviving. Deep, infrequent watering encourages strong root growth. Ever tried a drip irrigation system? Let us know. Our next tip is encouraging beneficial insects. Not all insects are pests. Beneficial bugs like ladybugs help keep harmful pests away. Do you use any plants to attract these helpful critters? Move on tip number 8, control your weeds organically. Weeds can be persistent. Mulching, hand pulling, or organic sprays made from vinegar and soap can help manage them without toxic chemicals. What's your go-to method for tackling weeds? Tip number 9. Harvest at the peak of ripeness. There's something satisfying about harvesting your own produce at its peak. It tastes better and is more nutritious. What's the most delicious thing you've harvested from your garden? Finally, the last tip, clean your harvest safely. Always clean your produce gently to remove any dirt or pests. A soft brush can be handy for tougher veggies. How do you usually clean your garden harvest? There you have it, folks. 10 organic gardening techniques that will help your garden flourish naturally. Remember, it's about patience, learning, and growing not just plants, but our connection with nature. If you enjoyed these tips and want to dive deeper into organic gardening, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more Green Thumb content and share your favorite gardening experience in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep growing organically and stay green. Stay